This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rami Salem. Amazing 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a pond view. Split floor plan with vaulted ceilings, tile floors throughout, open concept living, dining and kitchen with granite countertops. A breakfast nook, oversized laundry room, 2 walk-in closets in the master and a lovely screened porch that overlooks a community pond makes this home the one you will want to make your own. Recently painted inside and out. Close to Millhopper shops, restaurants and Starbucks. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Rami Salem at 352-494-8521.